Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining wastewater purification working model. So in this working model, we have depicted the purification model with a 4-stage process. Here we have used big gravel as a first step, and the second step of purification is small gravel, and the third step is sand, and fourth step is where you can use tissue paper or cotton. And this is the tray we have used for storing purified water. Now we will show you how this working model really works by pouring dirty water in this. After adding dirty water here, you can see in the last stage the purified water you can find here. So let me demonstrate how this working model really works. Now let's see. So I am pouring dirty water in the first stage of water purification. Now when we pour the dirty water here, see if we can, it will pass through various stages of purification. Here you will get purified water. If you can see here, so I'm going to show in the camera. So here we are completely getting purified water here. So hence this 4-stage water purification really works, but you can demonstrate it in your science exhibition projects as well. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.